Right, in this video I'm going to talk about these EverReady Smart Bulbs, and the only reason why I'm talking about them is because the instructions on them are not very good. It took me absolute ages to work out how to use it the way I want to use it. Now I'm going to skip quite a few of the menus, the options, because I think most people want these light bulbs to be used in a certain way. Basically, say if, for example, you went on holiday, you left the house for a period of time. You want the light bulbs to come on to give the impression that somebody is still in the house. So that's the one I'm going to focus on. They've got different options, like different light values, different colour of light. You know, warm or blue, warmth or blue, red or blue. They look very similar to ordinary light bulbs. I can barely tell. So I put here was Mum's old bulb. So this is an ordinary light bulb. I've had to put in a box and label this one a normal light bulb, just because these ones look so similar that I can barely tell. So this one is the one I have not installed. As you can see, it is almost identical. Instructions are hopeless. It's got EverReady on it. It's the only difference. Instructions don't tell you anything. You've got follow the instructions though to download the app. From your app on your phone, you can start to control a few of the things. I'm just put it back in on it. Braking. Right, I'll show you, and I'll jump straight to what I mean. The important bits. I'll just sort of skip through bits that are not important. EverReady app. So I'm not going to teach you guys to do the easy part, which is basically you plug it in, switch it on, you follow instructions, switch your light on 3 or 4 times, on and off. Then you look for your router's Wi-Fi, plug in your router's Wi-Fi's password in, and then you're away. Then you kind of on this stage it says, "All right, I found the bulb." So I'm not going to, that part of the instruction is okay. But from here, so I've got the light bulb from that box installed into a room upstairs. So you switch on that, and you get this thing here. You get a light bulb, timer, more. That I don't think is very useful at all. I don't think I'm going to use that. This button is very important. I'll come back to that later. And more is important. Now, when you switch on more, it's got plan, schedule, circadian rhythm. I guess that's sleep patterns, power on behaviour, remote control switch. These 3 are not really that important. The plan one didn't really do very much. This is the one. I think schedule is the one that you really need. All right, if you want to make an impression that someone switches their light on according to normal sleep patterns and you wasn't at home, then of course choose the easy option, the circadian plan, whatever that means. Never heard that word before. Circadian plan, don't really know what it means. Right, so switch it back on, more schedule. This is one I've got. So all I've done is at 2100 hours, and this will go by your phone's timing, so you can do this remotely. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I've got it switching on at 2100 hours. So for example, this weekend I may not be at home, and then 2120 I've got it going off. Now the thing is, the trick is, if you've got your light switch off, right, if you've got your light switch off at the wall, it will say, oh, you need to turn it back on. But if you've got it turned back on, then you think, hang on a minute, what's the point in doing this? Say it was like Friday, you got the light switch on, then you leave the house, then you know it's going to come on at 9 p.m. It's going to go off at 9:20. But what is the point of that, you ask yourself? What is the point of having the light switch on? So if you left the house at, I don't know, 5 p.m, it's going to be on 4 hours, isn't it? And it's going to be on, then it might switch off at 21:20. Right, the key is, this is a trick I've worked out, and so I'm not going to hold you up too much longer. Thing is, have your switch on, right? Set all your time, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever, on and off. Then go back to this menu here. Remember, your switch is on, the light is on in the room, and just hit that button there, and that will turn off the light bulb. So it turns off the light bulb 5 p.m, 6 p.m, 7 p.m, 8 p.m, 9 p.m. Switch is on. 20 minutes, bang, goes off again. And that's it. That's all you need. So you got, I think you could put about 40 of these little schedules in, so you can on off on a particular day. You can. I've already. It looks like I've used 2. Right. That's all you need really. And so you could have it going on maybe 6 a.m. going off 6:20. So that would sort of show up. No point in the daytime, and then at night time have it come on a couple of times, a few days a week, or if you're on holiday the whole week. That's it really. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps. It took me ages. If it took me ages, it probably would take most people ages as well, because the instructions are terrible. Hit the like, subscribe button, and thanks for watching.